Kyenge mago kondo ga zosan gege ula ge toje jenge dola se chere se la chaze lo. I just paid homage to the Avalokiteshvara Buddha. So Avalokiteshvara Buddha is the Lord of Compassion. It is the Compassion Buddha. So today I am going to discuss about the compassions. So when we talk about the compassion, there are two types of compassions. One is a conditional and another one is the unconditional. So in my previous video, I have already discussed about the conditional love. So today I'm going to speak about the unconditional love. So when we talk about the compassion, there is always a misunderstanding about the compassions. Many people, they assume that compassion is good for others. It is nothing to do with oneself. But that is certainly wrong. If you have compassion, if you do the practice of compassion, whether it will benefit to others or not, but it will certainly help you a lot. If you have a compassion, if you develop a compassion in your heart, then you will become peace of mind, and then you have a calm mind, and also you are going to be more open-minded. So through that way you will boost your mind, and also you will open your indoor to connect with others. So you are the first beneficiary of your own compassions. So when we talk about the unconditional compassion and conditional compassion, so if you look at the compassion and love between the mother and child, it's very powerful. It is not only to the human being, even if we look at the animal kingdoms. So mother animal, they are sacrificing their own life for the baby animals. So it's very powerful, but still it's a biological factor, and also it's mixed with attachment, and also it's a conditional love, because no matter how much powerful kind of compassion that mother has, the mother would not able to extend that kind of compassion towards strangers, and mothers would not able to extend that kind of compassion towards her own enemies. So when we talk about the unconditional love and unconditional compassions, it is like a compassion that the bodhisattvas have. The bodhisattvas, their compassion, it will not only extend to their own family and friends, they can extend their own love and compassions towards the strangers, and also they can extend their own love and compassion towards their own enemies. So that means that bodhisattvas' compassion, they can extend their compassion to the entire sentient beings. So it's a very, very powerful. So therefore, in order to develop the unconditional love and compassion, so I'm not going to share you the all kind of steps and points how to cultivate the unconditional compassion, whatever it has mentioned in the Tibetan or Mahayana Buddhist scriptures. If I share all of them, then this is going to be a very long video. So therefore, I'm going to share you the few points and few steps how to meditate and how to develop that kind of unconditional compassion. The first thing that you have to meditate that all the sentient beings, physically, mentally and emotionally, we are all same, we are all equal. If you look at the big body size like the elephant, and if you look at the small body size like insects, they all seek happiness, they do not want sufferings. So we are all same, we are all equals. And it is not only in the daytime, even in the night time, in our dream, we are seeking happiness and we are trying to overcome our own sufferings. So therefore, we are all, same. All the sentient beings, we are all same. So we have to do this meditation first. Then second thing that I have to achieve the happiness for others, because all the other sentient beings, they are seeking a happiness like me. Then also you have to think that I have to overcome a suffering for others, because others, they do not want suffering like me. So you have to meditate like this. Then the third thing that you have to think that in your daily life, whatever you do, whatever you enjoy, if we take an example of breakfast, if we look at our breakfast, millions and millions of people's hand, they are behind of your breakfast. Not only the human being, even animals, they are also behind of your breakfast. Many farmers and animals, they are working very hard in their farm. So today you have meals on your tables. So everything is interconnected. We are heavily depending on others. Our happiness is depending on others. So this is the third thing. Then the fourth thing that when we say I, so I is an individual person. When we say others, so other means millions and millions of peoples. So one individual person is important, or millions and millions of peoples are important. So you have to think that is it okay to sacrifice one's own happiness for the millions and millions of people's well-beings, Then is it better that we are sacrificing the millions and millions of peoples for one's own happiness? So you have to think like that. So when you do this meditation, then it will helps you to develop a respect, and you will develop you will started to give more importance towards the others. So through that way you can cultivate the unconditional compassion in your heart. So these are the few steps I already shared. So please try to do meditation in your daily life. That's all. Thank you.